Yes. This is about the exercise of light and sound of worksheet 10. So first one is fill in the blanks. So first fill in the blanks is dash means how long something is. So what means length? Dash means how long it is. So that is length. Second is dash tell us how heavy or light an object is. What tell us? Mass. Mass of a body tell us how long or light an object is. Third one is capacity, that amount of liquid it can hold. Capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. Then next, temperature. It is the measurement of how hot or cold an object or body is. Okay. Fourth one is temperature, is the measurement of how long or cold an object or body is. And last, fifth one, clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the body. What is the last one? Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the body. This is the fill in the blanks of worksheet 10. Okay. Next is your tick the right answer. B1 is tick the right answer. So you have to put tick on which the answer is right. See, first one, the standard unit to measure length is liter or meter. In which unit it is measured, liter or meter? The length, you know that it is always measured in meter. Okay, length is always measured in meter. Liquid, which thing liquid we are measured? That is any liquid which are having, that only can be measured in liter. Okay, liquids can be measured in liter. Liquids are measured in gram or liter. So in which liquids are measured? It is measured in liters. Now third one, the temperature of a normal human body is. The temperature of a normal human body is 37 degree Fahrenheit or 37 degree Celsius. So it is 98.4 Fahrenheit and 37 degree Celsius. What is the normal temperature of human body? 37 degree Celsius. Okay. Now fourth one, the instrument to measure body temperature. The instrument to measure body temperature is clinical thermometer or room thermometer. Which one? Clinical thermometer. Okay. normal human body temperature can be measured with the help of clinical thermometer. Now, fifth one, in early days, people used hand spans and cubit to measure mass or length. What is measured by cubit or hand span? Mass or length? It is measured length. Okay, length is being measured with the help of hand spans and cubit. In olden days they were measured. Now you are having some correct measuring instrument to measure all this. Okay, correct measuring instrument. So this is about the tick the correct answer of worksheet 10. Now next is about the match the following. Okay, we have completed this fill in the blanks and take the correct answer, and now C part, match the following. First one, fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are measured in. In which unit they will be measured? As these are the quantities are measured in. I am mentioning here as A, B, C, D, E. And your correct options are hours, minutes and second. Hours, minutes and second. Then B1 is your degree. Now C1 is your kilograms. D1 liters and E1 kilometers. Now, what is us? Fruits and vegetables are measured in which unit? Fruits and vegetables are measured in kilograms because it is the quantity. So, what will be your answer of first one? That is C. Okay, answer of first one is C, kilogram. Now see the second one. Milk and petrol are measured in. Milk and petrol are measured in. In which they are measured? As these are the liquid, that will be measured in liter. It will be measured in liter. Now see the third one. Distance from Delhi to Mumbai is measured in distance from Delhi to Mumbai is measured in kilometer. Distance is measured in kilometer. Temperature is measured in Temperature is measured in degrees. Temperature is measured in degree. And fifth one, time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds. Time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds. These are the different units of time in which they are being measured. First one is fruits and vegetables are measured in kilogram. Milk and petrol are measured in liter. Distance from Delhi to Mumbai is measured in kilometers. Temperature is measured in hours, minutes and seconds, and time is measured in degree. Time is measured in hours, minutes and seconds, and temperature is measured in degrees. Okay. So these are the different type of units in which they are being measured. These are the different types of units in which they are being measured. Okay. Now this about the small exercises means take the correct answer, fill in the blanks and match the following is being completed of this chapter.